So this week I ended up at the ER. Can you believe it? Stress can be a killer. What happened is I went to go see my doctor the same day, where they take same day appointments. I've been having an abdominal pain on my right side, thinking that, what is it? Is it appendicitis? Is it an ovary cyst? I don't know. It kept bothering me for the last 2 weeks. So I decided to go in. And the next thing I know, the nurse says, well, we need to get you checked out quickly and we need to get tests back. So I need to bring you into the ER. Totally thrown off key. And so my trip to the ER was fine, but it ended up being like a 3.5 hour wait for tests. Bottom line is I'm fine. I really am. Although one thing that my doctor said is I have low potassium and I am backed up. Now, what is that about? I go every day. I go sometimes multiple times a day. Just not emptying out properly is what was told to me. Yeah, I had to take that and get on it. And one other thing that was mentioned is stress can cause the backed up situation. And I was wondering because I'm gaining weight. I'm eating plant-based about 90% of the time. I'm taking my vitamins like a good little girl. I've adjusted, trying to balance those hormones, being over 50, right? Us ladies over 50, you understand what I'm saying, and doing it the natural way. So what am I doing wrong? And not to mention, I'm exercising. I'm doing my weightlifting classes 3 to 4 times a week. I'm walking 3 to 4 times a week. I mean, I don't know what to do, and I'm just gaining weight. Stress can cause a lot of constipation as well. One of those sneaky little symptoms of dealing with too much stress and dealing with weight gain. Just a little tidbit for you guys over these holidays and going through to the end of this year. We have to take some time out, take a break, check out your insides. And that means maybe you need to do a salt flush. I've done salt flush many times, but I haven't been doing it lately like I usually do. And that's an easy way to do something at home, to do a cleanse. The other thing, if you want to get a little more aggressive, is doing the enemas. And enemas are fine. They're totally fine. But, just don't overdo it. The next thing I would say, if it's getting up to that level where it was for me after seeing that on a CAT scan, is to go get a colonic. I asked the doc, what do you think? Should I do a colonic? I've done colonics for over a 15-year span, off and on, and it's never been an issue for me. But I've forgotten that since the pandemic started, I stopped doing it. And because I was doing so much fasting, I really thought I was cleansing enough. But since we are under a different type of stress level, as you guys know, in this past 1.5 years, it is taking on some manifestations in your body that you may not be aware of. So there's something to check out and be mindful of what's coming out of the body versus what you're putting in. The other issue is that sugar, it's a no-go. I had calmed down from the sugar cravings, but I noticed that it was kicking back up again in this past week. And so that is another factor. If the colon is not emptied out properly and cleansed and building up, that's another symptom when you're having sugar cravings that, hey, I might be backed up, and it will cause more backing up. We really need to pay attention to that. And so the colonics I started doing this week, and I'm telling you, it was like 5 pounds. 5 pounds. I mean, it felt like it. But it's a good thing. It's a really good thing. And I'm going back for some more. Just a thought and a tidbit of the day. If you're gaining weight and you're still feeling like you're doing all these things, asking yourself the question, did I do my best? Did I do my best today? Did I do my best all week? If that's not so sure, or is, yes, I'm doing my best, I'm doing all these things, and the weight is just not coming off, then it's something that we need to look at internally, and it may be something physical, that all this stress, not getting enough sleep, having cravings of a lot of sugar, that kind of thing. and you have basically exhausted doing your research and being mindful of yourself, if you still can't come up with the solution, that could be the key, is I need to cleanse the colon. The colon is a very long organ. It's longer than you think inside your body, so could be something that can affect everything. The doctor couldn't even see the appendix because of being backed up. Okay, well that's it for me, and I may not be on for a little while just because I'm taking a break over the holiday and going to reset, because that's a must. And because this channel is about searching for the perfect bite and balance, I have to do the same right with you guys. Please catch me on Instagram at RegEdited. I am going to spend a little bit more time in working on some recipes and things and trying to do some short videos. And so I'm trying to get revved up for that. And I really want to give you guys more quality videos as we come into the new year. And so giving it a lot of thought to making sure that I'm delivering what you need. So please leave a comment and let me know if there's certain videos you like to see, even if it's something different. Maybe it's vlogging. Maybe it's just you want to see some insight of what I do in the day, eating in a day. Yes, maybe you want to see more of that, or you want to see what it's all about being over 50 and how do we maintain our weight. That is just more difficult than actually losing the weight. And always remember that we have to enjoy the journey while searching for that perfect bite and balance. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. And I'm taking my supplements. Go figure. Talk to you later, guys. His food, my food. My honey's eating and standing up.
Cows do it.
You a cow? No.
I'm gonna go sit.
Okay, bunny.